yourself. She's actually saying Jesus Christ. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Spell, and today I have my sister with me. This is Titi. T-I-T-I, that's what we call her. Anyway, she's going to introduce herself. So introduce yourself.
Yeah, I'm Titi Layo. Yeah, that's it. And this is my sister.
Guys, she failed in school. She doesn't know how to tell people about herself. Now they fail all those English essays. And she's the other sister between, but she can't beat me. Anyways, and I'm taller than she is, even though she looks like she's taller than me. She's sitting on pillow. She's sitting on pillow. Guys, so anyways, today we're going to be doing the blindfold makeup challenge. I'm going to be blindfolded and I'll be doing her makeup since I'm the makeup guru here. I mean, she doesn't know how to do shit. Anyways, so yeah, I'm going to be blindfolded with this. Yeah, and hopefully I come out successful, guys, and she doesn't look like a masquerade. Look at this beautiful face now while it lasts, guys. Okay guys, yeah, so let's dive right into the video, guys. So she's going to blindfold me now, so do your job.
Okay.
Do you want to kill me?
Is it too tight? Are you okay?
Yes.
Can you see anything?
I can't see shit. I can't see shit.
Are you sure you can't see anything?
I can't see shit.
Okay.
Like you found the clothes. So
Okay.
So we're going to be starting with the brows. Can I have the pencil? Bring your face. I mean, the main point of being blind is so that you can feel. So this is the under. Hey Jesus. Eh? You guys, harder than I thought. I thought I was just going to feel and it work. I don't know if the pencil is drying, but I hope it is. Bring your face. Wait, stop making me laugh. See, I don't even know.
Just continue, you can do it.
Okay guys, that's it for the brows. So I'm just going to go in with concealer. I don't know why she's making me laugh. Like, I don't even see what I've done. Just going to conceal. So first brow conceal. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I just hope you don't look like a masquerade. Okay, that's it for the concealer and brows. So I'm going to do eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow?
It's just going to be one different whatever you think. I'll just if you pat it on there.
Okay.
Do you feel me? Okay for you.
I don't know. Do whatever you want to do.
See me the makeup artist.
I think you're cleaning the brows already.
Oh. Why are you laughing at yourself? Are you laughing at me at yourself?
I'm laughing at you.
I might not try. Yes. Guys, I'm done with the eyeshadow. Proudly.
I can't allow you to blind me.
I cannot blind you. Don't you trust me? Don't you trust me? You're not gonna get blind, man. With your face.
Where you can't even see my face.
Do I have to see you to trust me? Oh. Well, I don't think so it's working though. If you look like masquerade, you look like masquerade. Yes, primer please. Smells nice. Oh my god.
Really nice.
Oh my god. Let me able to scoop. I'm just blending like every other makeup artist will do. Open your eyes so we don't blend inside your eyes. Yeah, Google, be careful now. Express you they go.
This is serious. Egungun, confirm Egungun.
Ah no, I tried to discourage me.
Just continue. I think you're trying. Just continue. Don't let me discourage you.
Please give me concealer.
Concealer. I got it.
I can tell you guys that whatever I've done on Titi's face is better than what she would do on her face. Open. With her eyes open.
I'm not that bad.
With her eyes open.
That bad.
I'm very
Stop
sure.
it.
Oh yeah.
So what do you want to use this for?
I want to conceal your under eye.
Are you sure you can do this?
Wait now. Maybe I'm under your eyes directly. With that. So I'm gonna just be careful. She's quite accepted. Oh my god, I don't know why. Okay guys, so I've concealed, but I'm not putting concealer in some places, but I don't just feel like I'll get the right spot. I'm going in with Essence powder. I'm almost done with this tutorial. Very proud of me. Look up. This makeup better look good. I've put in all my effort into it. Wow. I mean, it's not easy to even get this point. So, give me your nose. I know this is big. I'm just gonna try and not. How do you have big nose? Everybody has small nose in this house. Small nose, very small. Why is your nose big?
You have to make that obvious.
Why do you have a big nose? Legit.
As God.
Anyways, yeah, you can place this. Guys, I feel like this makeup has to be bombed to some extent. I mean, sorry, did you enter your eyes?
No.
I mean, are you? She's actually saying Jesus Christ. Can you imagine? It's not funny. I put all my efforts into your face. I'm blind and I'm still doing something.
That's my mouth.
That's your mouth.
What do you want?
Lipstick and lip gloss.
Okay.
Guys, I'm at the final stage. Okay? We do not use highlighter. Just give me lipstick and lip gloss.
Myself.
What?
Okay. Just put the rings together. So
Give me your lips. Oh wow, so I'm gonna be getting into it. We are serious. Because I love lip gloss. Is it okay? Did you press?
So just blend.
You blend it yourself.
Why can't you blend? Are you gonna makeup artist?
Ah.
Am I supposed to blend myself?
Do you want to mad on your lips? So yeah. You don't leave it destroyed, blend it yourself. Just give me a highlighter, sorry.
I just wonder how I look right now.
Oh.
Here's it.
So she don't know she pankele.
That's what this one.
Ah. Let me see what you gave me. I think she give me a highlighter, see what she gave me.
Oh my god.
So guys, there goes the end of our video, and I hope my sister does not look like the masquerade I can envision in my mind. Take. So now we're going to unveil this princess. Can you see what you look like? I can't see it properly.
Let me just remove this so you can see you.
Guys, ta-da! Drum rolls. Jesus, it feels like Jesus is shining light on me. How? I'm about to see my glorious work, guys. Should I open my eyes?
See your work.
1, 2, Mine's are still blurry first before I turn. I just turn to Jesus. Who has watched other Yoruba films that the village girls don't know how to do makeup?
Like Jennifer's look at my face. My face cover.
I'm sure.
My face.
I didn't do this makeup, guys. The blind me did this. Thank God for
Why
sight.
did you actually try?
Guys, I did well. Compared to what Titi can do on her face, I tell you, I did well.
This to my normal makeup. This is actually.
She's speaking big English, so you know that she's lying.
No,
I do well more than this.
I can actually do more than this. Seriously, I can.
You know that when they're lying, she cannot even speak loud. Can you put here? Can you do what it is? Like, I actually do what that. Yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully I'm able to bring. Do you know my wig is half makeup? Do you know my wig has been half video? This is the final result, and I'm glad you all stayed true to watch it, and I'm glad at least I did something.
Yeah, she did something.
I didn't entirely.
She actually tried.
Yes.
It's not easy to do that. It's not easy at all.
I didn't entirely sketch up. You heard what she said. It's not easy to do that because she cannot even do half. She cannot do half. Anyway,
Please, you should not think of this ugly girl. I'm a very fine girl, very pretty, you know?
now me fine pass for our house. I'm the finest. After me is nobody. After me is me again. I'm the finest in this house.
Deceiving you. You're deceiving yourself. Anyways, beauty lies in the hands of the builder. So
it's in the eyes. Can you see? She's not in the eyes. And she passed. And she passed through school.
is it eyes or hands? Whatever.
Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you had fun, and I hope I'm able to bring this village girl up to my channel again, because this is the makeup that fits her, and she got a personal glam. So I believe we've come to that part of the video where you should please help me, I'm doing up the channel. Help me like, subscribe, and share this video if you've not. I really like that. Please hit the subscribe button. That would be really nice of you, and I'll see you guys next week. Thank you so much, and I've left some links down in the description box of some of my other videos that you can always check out, so please check them out. And I've also left down my social media handles. Let's be friends. So yes, bye guys, I love you guys. Mwah. It's not your channel, mind your business. Bye guys.